Hello everyone, and thank you so much for stopping by. I really appreciate. So today I'll be making this cardigan. So we need 2 hexagons to make a cardigan. So I'll be making one for my daughter. So I have made the first piece, so I'll be making the second one. So we start with the magic ring, as you can see. Then we do chain 3. 1, 2 and 3, and then we do 2 double crochets. That is 1, and then we have the second one. Then we do chain 1, then we do 3 double crochets. That is 1, then you have the second one. Then 3. Then you have chain 1 again, then you also do 3 double crochets. So basically we'll be doing clusters of 3 double crochets, and then together with the first 2 double crochets and the chain 3, we'll have 6 clusters to make a hexagon. So here we're going to finish the last cluster of the 3 double crochets. 1 and 2 and 3. So we're going to do a slip stitch in the 3rd chain 1, the 2nd double crochet 2, and then in the space where we have the chain 1, we have another slip stitch. Then we do chain 3. We are starting another row. So chain 3, 1 double crochet, then another one, then you have another chain 1, then 3 double crochets. So we are starting another row, and that is our first corner. That is our first corner, and it's the one that is starting the first row. Then in the second space where we have chain 1, we will have another corner. So we'll have 3 double crochet, chain 1 and 3 double crochet, as you can see. So that is 3, then chain 1, then you have 3 double crochets again. So that is our second corner. So we continue, look, we get the next space where you have chain 1, we again do 3 double crochets, a chain 1, and again 3 double crochets. So we'll continue with that repetition, 3 double crochets, chain 1, 3 double crochets, until we reach the end of that row. So to finish that row, we'll do slip stitches like the ones we did previously, and then when we are in the first chain 1, we'll do chain 3, then 2 double crochets, chain 1 again, and then 3 double crochets, then in the space between the two clusters we'll have 3 double crochets. That space in between we'll have 3 double crochets, as you can see. So this is another corner. We are still repeating 3 double crochets, chain 1, and then 3 double crochets. Then in the next space we will do 3 double crochets. So we continue repeating that pattern until we reach the end of that row. So I've just finished that row. So I start off another row with chain 3, then 2 double crochets, then chain 1 to make a corner, and then 3 double crochets, as you can see, 3. Then in the next space between the 3 double crochets, we are going to make 3 double crochets. That space in between there, we'll put 3 double crochets. Yeah, and even the next space we are also going to do 3 double crochets. Then we come to our corner. And when we get to our corner, we do 3 double crochets for this specific corner, chain 1 and 3 double crochets again. So we continue with that pattern until we also finish that row. So we will be repeating this pattern all the way until you achieve the desired size you want. You repeat this pattern, alternating it until you achieve the size of the cardigan you'd like to have. And as you watch towards the end, I'll really appreciate if you support me by subscribing to this channel or sharing, so that I can be motivated to prepare more videos of the same, and also to make me grow. Thank you so much. I really appreciate your time and space. So ensure you have 6 corners, as you can see, to make that hexagon, so that when you fold, you will have, when you fold your hexagon, you will have a letter L, something like this. Yeah, so if you have this kind of shape coming up, then you know you are on the right track. So as you continue, I had made the first piece, as you can see, and then whatever I'm continuing with is the second piece. So as you continue, you'll have something like this, which you are going to join with the piece that I'm coming up with to make a cardigan. So thank you so much for your time. Thank you so much for stopping by. Please subscribe and share. I really appreciate your time. Bye bye.